How many devices can I install Office 365 on with one subscription?
Hello there. In this video, we're going to address a common question that many people have about Microsoft Office 365. How many devices can I install Office 365 on with one subscription? This is an important piece of information to understand, especially if you're planning to use Office 365 across multiple devices.
What does the Office 365 subscription include?
Before we delve into the device installation count, let's quickly clarify what a typical Office 365 subscription includes. Office 365, now known as Microsoft 365, is a subscription-based service from Microsoft that features a suite of productivity tools such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. A key benefit of this service is that it offers users the flexibility to access their documents and applications from various devices. But, you might be asking, how many devices exactly?
How many devices can you install Office 365 on?
As of my last training data in September 2021, here's what we know about the device limits for Office 365. For a personal subscription, you can install the Office 365 apps on all your devices and be signed in to 5 at the same time. This includes PCs, Macs, and mobile devices. For an Office 365 home subscription, you can share your subscription with up to 6 members of your household. Each person can install Office on all their devices and be signed in to 5 at the same time. However, please note that Microsoft's policies might have changed since my last update. Be sure to check the latest from Microsoft's official documentation. To wrap things up, as per the last update in 2021, a single Office 365 subscription allows you to install the apps on all your devices, but you can be signed in to 5 at a time. For Office 365 Home, you can share the benefits with up to 6 people. I hope this video has been helpful in clarifying your question about device installation limitations for Office 365. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.